What up, everybody? I hope you're having a great Easter Sunday. I'm working. I just got the body camera footage from the New London incident, and it shows a different angle of everything. You can hear after we walk away, you can hear the cop going, "Oh, they were almost interfering with my stop earlier. We almost interfered for standing there taping." That was when I first started auditing. I didn't even talk to them then. I didn't do anything, and I stood far away. So they're clearly confused about what interfering is. It's disappointing to see that. That was actually like the least worst officer that had said that, so it was a little disappointing. The whole video was just kind of pathetic. It shows this cop that this is the same cop. He just got suspended for this. The chief said that assault for cops is not a crime. It's a policy violation. That's what he told me on the phone. They sent me the IA report confirming that they found he violated my rights and he assaulted me. And he got an 8-day suspension, retraining. It's sad if a lieutenant needs to be retrained if he doesn't know these basic things. But who am I? I'm just a citizen. And this is the same dude that goes on Facebook when the news puts something out about him. He goes on Facebook and pleads his case on Facebook and then makes up lies about me and tells people this. He says I'm not a part of my kid's life. He's so dumb he doesn't understand that I have my kids. Dummy. But it's pathetic. That's the most pathetic thing I've seen a cop do yet, is him go on Facebook and whine and cry. If anybody feels like this is wrong, all the info will be in the link. Call the department if you want to express your grievances and let them know. Enjoy your Easter Sunday. I'll see you all soon. I've been trying to get this done so I could get this up for you, but I've been working 12 hours a day every day, but I don't have a real job.
Hey, can I help you?
Dope.
What are you guys doing?
Filming.
Or what?
Because I can. That's it.
Yeah, that's fine.
You like it. But I never seen one girl fucking bedroom. I like this.
Me like and see what's out there.
Any reason you're filming? Don't want to answer any questions? What about you? You want to answer any questions? Or?
They heard this. They stated that those two were over their department videotaping and refused to identify themselves.
Dark.
You can get off that car.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for doing the right thing.
Alright, you guys are done now.
So,
Yeah.
for what?
I'm asking you to leave the
I have not done the thing.
I'm asking you to leave private property now. Get out of the lot.
Not private
Do
property.
you have police business here?
Yes. I'm going to the lobby now.
I'm asking you, okay, you can go to the lobby, but you cannot go to the lobby. You can leave.
I'm not doing anything.
I'm not asking you.
Okay.
Are you here for police business?
Does it matter?
Yes. You're now in a private lot and you're being asked to
Where's
leave
the sign?
up
Where's the sign?
I'm telling you now.
It doesn't
Go.
matter.
Leave,
No,
please.
no.
Let's
No.
go.
It's not
Off
how
the
this
property,
works.
please.
It's not how this works.
Let's go.
It's not.
I'm not asking you.
Okay.
Get off the property.
I'm not.
Let's go.
I'm not.
Then you can end up downstairs in our lockup.
What you need to do.
Okay. You need to leave now, please.
For what?
You're not here for police business.
I just told you I was going in the lobby
Okay.
next.
Then you can go up in the lobby.
I can go up in the lobby
Yep.
when I'm ready.
No,
There's no
you
time
can-
limit.
okay.
There's no-
You're not gonna be out here with private,
Where's
with officers.
where are your
personal-
signs?
Okay, I'm telling you
Where
now,
are your signs?
There are no signs. But
Exactly.
you're being given
I'm
a
allowed to
lawful
no,
order
you're
to
not. What law?
disperse.
What law?
Disorderly conduct.
You're
being
that's
given.
not
Yes.
how this works.
Let's go.
If you want here,
Let's
disorderly
go.
conduct.
Let's go.
Come on, disorderly conduct.
Let's go.
You want to call it? Let's do it.
Let's go.
You want to call it? Let's do it. Because I'm doing nothing
Come
wrong.
on.
No,
why,
no, no.
Why you gotta come out here and bust balls?
Bust
Like,
balls?
yes.
You came out here. I was doing nothing wrong.
Okay, you're out here filming people's
I'm
personal
allowed
cars.
to.
Okay. Again.
Again, what?
Do you
So-
have anything
so I'm
better
allowed
to do
to.
than
Oh, can I help you?
Yeah, you're the supervisor?
One of them, yeah.
So I was outside, walking through your parking lot, taping. Your officers, 3 of them came out. Supervisors started pushing me around, giving unlawful orders.
Giving out what kind of orders?
Unlawful. Kept trying to tell me I'm trespassing and I'm disorderly when I wasn't doing
Well, it's a
anything.
lawful order.
Yeah, if you're doing it.
No,
If you're committing that crime, it's a lawful order, but when you're not.
Oh, if you read the statute for trespass first, after giving a lawful order,
Yeah, you have to
regardless,
be committing a crime.
regardless if it's supposed to or not.
No, but you have to be committing a crime to be trespassing on public property.
All right, well, I'm not going to argue with you on that.
Oh,
Okay.
you're just like the rest of them. I need 3 complaint forms, and how do I request that body cam footage?
Have to go do an FOI.
Through here though, or where?
Yeah.
Town hall? Through records?
Hmm?
Okay, so how do I get the complaints?
You want a complaint form? How many? do you
No,
want?
3.
Three,
4.
three complaint. But there's 2 of you. Well, you can put more than one officer on a form. Is that what you're
No, I
asking?
know, I want to put, I do them individual.
So you want 4?
Yeah.
Okay. Officer conference. All right, here you go.
Can I get your name, badge number?
Yeah, right there.
Your second.
Fine.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
You guys have better for public.
Okay.